Hello everybody and welcome to Doing Stuff and Things. Now this week's adventure is playing in some of the most beautiful water you can find anywhere. In fact, there's only a few places on the island and the conditions have to be right for the water to be this perfect. One place I found water like this was way up at Kauai Beach on the North Shore. I got a video on that if you want to check it out. Click on my little face down there, it'll take you to the channel, and there's just a ton of videos on all kinds of adventures and making fun stuff. We're going to go body surfing at Brennecke's beach. Brennecke's is on the South Shore. It's right next to Poipu. In fact, Poipu is going to be right here, big grass field. Brennecke's is right here. It's a very, very small stretch of sand, so there's not a lot of room for a lot of people. But if you get there just right, like I did on Christmas morning, you can have the place almost to yourself. And if the conditions are right, you can have some great body surfing and bodyboarding. Even surfing if you're a total ripper. If you're unfamiliar with body surfing, what it is it's surfing the waves literally just on your body. Nature's board. Now there's other stuff that you can do, like you can use a hand board, you can use the tray that you get at McDonald's or Burger King or anything like that. All kinds of different hacks that you can do this. We're just going au naturel, just do a little bit of body surfing, catch a few barrels, and have a great time on this beautiful Christmas morning in this gorgeous water. Check it out. Quick side note with body surfing and bodyboarding, and when you're catching the wave, you don't want to catch the wave with it breaking like this and you going straight in towards the beach where it crashes right on top of you like that. To do it right and really to get the most enjoyment and the most out of body surfing or bodyboarding is as the wave breaks, you want to ride the face of the wave. So as it crumbles, you're going in front of it and it's crumbling behind you until you get barreled and either tuck into the wave and pop out the back, or just let it pound you and have a good time, but don't break your neck. We'll see you next time.